How to fix you can't use this feature right now in Facebook. First of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then let's go to Play Store. Search for Facebook. Now see if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app. Next thing that you can do is go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Apps. Click on it. Then go to App Management. Then search for Facebook. Click on it. Now you can see Storage Uses. Click on it. Then you can see Clear Data and Clear Cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on Clear Cache. Once your cache is cleared, you can try restarting your device and your Facebook should start working now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.